Hello everyone and welcome to Quiz Kingdom! Are you ready to play a new challenge with Froggy? Choose one button, yes or no or never edition. Froggy has 70 questions and you only have 7 seconds to answer. If you're ready, hit the subscribe button for more fun games like this, and let's get started. Would you like to have this room? Amazing, it's gaming room! Would you play this video game? Super Mario Bros. I love this game. What about you? Would you like to eat this food? Wow, saffron! Would you travel to this place? Nice, Paris! Would you read this novel? Harry Potter! Would you do this for $100,000? Let's like this video and subscribe to our channel. Would you like to eat this cupcake? Oops, burnt cupcake. Would you like to watch this movie? Deadpool and Wolverine. Would you practice this sport with friends? Awesome, it's soccer! Can you give him your meal? Yes, give this dog your meal! Would you have this pet? It's Tiger! Do you want to dance with them? Wow, Salish Matter and Nadal won? Would you join this meme trend? Yes, Tenge Tenge! Would you remove this app from your phone? Oh no, TikTok! Would you want to eat this red thing? Oops, it's hot pepper. Would you live in the city? New York City. Would you accept this gift from Mr. Beast? Congratulations! $100 million! Do you want to eat this fruit? It's lemon! Would you play this song at your birthday party? Amazing, Toka Toka! Do you accept this challenge? Subscribe to our channel! Do you want to meet this person? Cristiano Ronaldo! Would you like to go for a walk here? Oops, walking on a rope. Do you want to eat this hamburger? Cheeseburger. Would you sing with him? He's iShowSpeed.
Forsaken Chester Cupid, but now I'm not feeling.
Would you invite him to eat dinner with your family? Wow, Justin Bieber! Do you want to do this? Working constantly for 24 hours. Would you like to have this snack? It's cookies. Would you buy this car? Lamborghini. Would you like to be a member of this group? Blackpink. Would you join this TikTok trend? It's Automotivo Super Mario World 2! Would you eat at this restaurant? McDonald's! Do you want these tickets? Inside Out 2 tickets! Do you want to drink this coffee? It's spilled coffee! Could you dance like him? He's Skibbity Dum Dum Yes Yes. Would you like to be this type of person? Angry person. Would you like to receive this gift? Awesome, it's a kitten! Do you want to live here? A luxury beach house! Would you visit this place on the weekend? It's Disneyland! Do you want a slice of this pizza? Apple pizza! Would you do this for $10,000? Doing 1,000 jump ropes every day. What do you think about this? Would you watch this movie on Netflix? It's Squid Game. Do you want to live here alone? Living in a desert. Would you play this song on repeat? It's Cruel Summer by Taylor Swift. Would you like to do this with your family? Go camping! Would you like to drink this? Wow, hot chocolate! Would you like to work here? Oops, construction zone! Would you like to go to this destination? It's Zombieland! Would you like this person to be your neighbor? Zach King! Would you like to help this person? Homeless person! Would you do this with your friends? Roller coaster ride! Would you like to give this to your brother? It's a PS5! Do you dare to wear this outfit? Oops, animal costumes! Would you decorate your house like this? Halloween decor! Would you like to swim in this place? Amazing! It's an outdoor pool! Do you want to get this doll? Annabelle doll! Do you want to add this song to your playlist? What makes you beautiful?
Baby, you light up my world like nobody else do.
Would you go to this place alone? Oh no, haunted castle! Do you want to cross this bridge? Suspension bridge! Would you like to wear these costumes? It's Halloween costumes! Would you wear this dress? Wow, it's princess dress! Would you have this phone? Oh no, an old phone! Do you want to do this for a year? Stop brushing teeth! Would you wear these shoes? Oops, fish flip-flops! Would you drink this? It's green tea! Would you have this item? Nice, rainbow AirPods! Would you like to go to this place? Mount Everest! Do you want to do this job in the future? CEO! Do you want this junk food? It's hot dog! Do you want to live here with your best friend? Nice, luxury resort! Do you want to do this? Let's comment your favorite song. Thank you for watching the video, and now go ahead and pick your next challenge. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel Quiz Kingdom for more fun quizzes like this, and see you in the next challenge.